Privacy is power. Silence is key. I saw this write-up by Ruth Kadiri, the popular Nollywood actress, Ruth Kadiri. She made this post. I will read it to you guys. So listen. She said, as a public figure, one thing that I have learned the hard way is to keep my marriage as private as possible. Yes. The moment people know too much, they start to feel entitled to your story. And trust me, you will hear a lot online. Things that can shake you, things that can hurt you, things that can even confuse you. Now, some will say he is cheating, while others will say she is disrespectful. Most of them don't even know you at all. They just want to see the drama that may unfold. I have seen a lot of beautiful homes crash just because of one blog or one comment that was not even true. Protect your peace. Guard your home. Share love, but not every detail. Let the world see the glow, not the process. Let the world see the glow, but not the process. Because the more people know, the more they want to destroy it. Privacy is power, and silence is safety. Privacy is power. Silence is safety. That write-up got my attention. Then a couple of hours ago, I saw a video by Toyin Ajeyemi when she said somebody made a post online that she and her husband are no longer together in their marriage. Her husband was upstairs, she was downstairs. Both of them were in the house. She now called out to her husband that, baby, look at the post somebody made that both of us are separated. You know, they laughed over it. And so now the highlight of what I want to say in this video is that when you keep your home, when you keep your marriage private, that means you will keep people guessing. When you keep your activities, the activities in your marriage, when you keep it offline, you just let them be guessing. They won't know. It will not be like when you guys are playing, you guys are recording yourselves, you are posting it. When you guys are happy, you guys are recording yourself, you are posting it. When you guys are happy, you are recording yourself and posting it. When you guys are traveling, you are recording yourself, you are posting it. When you guys are working, you are recording yourself, you are posting it. Keep your marriage, according to that write-up I read earlier, Ruth Kadiri said, keep your marriage offline. Keep your marriage offline. Let them keep guessing. That is the best thing. Then let me move forward. She said something about, about her past in one particular interview recently. She said when she met Niyi Johnson, that she was so much in love that she did not even listen to what anybody told her. Did you get? Even at a point when some people, she said it in that interview, that some people actually told her that, that marriage will not last and all of that. But due to the fact that she was in love, she was very stubborn that time, that was years back. So she was kind of stubborn that she didn't listen to anybody. She just wanted to, get married to Niyi Johnson. And we all know how the whole thing ended. But now, they now ask her, how did she meet her husband? She now said something about her husband. Now, things that she said about her husband are things that some of us in the industry, let me say, most of us that knows, her husband, that knows Kola Ajeyemi very well, we know that everything she said in that interview was true. Because Kola Ajeyemi is a very nice chap. He doesn't yap his mouth all the time. He's not a talkative. Kola Ajeyemi might be sometimes, act some gira roles in the movies, but in real life, when you see Kola Ajeyemi, he's not the kind of guy that talks too much. And he's a very, very nice dude. Kola Ajeyemi, very, very generous. He can give you. So that's Kola, very nice. So now when she met Kola Ajeyemi, they started dating. Of course, they have known themselves in the industry for a long time. They started dating. It got to a point she could not even hold it any longer. That she used to go and meet Kola Ajeyemi at locations. You know, some at the beginning she would be in the hotel room while Kola, you know, goes to work. It got to a point she couldn't hold it any longer. She will now say, "Okay, Kola, anywhere you are going, I will follow you." Let people know whatever they want to say, they should say. Then it got to a point. Our family, you know, when she told her family, normally, you know, they prayed about it and they told her that yes, this is your husband. So what I want to highlight in this video is that sometimes when you are in love, it happens to a lot of people. When you are in love and you tell your people that I want to go ahead and marry this person, and once they tell you that this person is not the kind of person that you will marry, that the marriage will not last, you know, people sometimes it will not. It's good to listen. It's good to take heed. It's good to actually listen to when they tell you something spiritually. That is when you know that that person that is telling you that thing is actually a real man of God. It could be a Christian, it could be a Muslim, but you have to look at the person that is telling you the spiritual message. You have to listen. When you listen, it will eventually pay off. But a lot of people that did not listen, most of them are regretting. So in that interview, Toyin Ajeyemi said, when they told her the first time, she did not listen. But when they told her the second time that, yes, this is the way, then she listened. Now, look at both of them. At the beginning of the marriage, you know, we used to see both of them online, you know, a lot of activities, a lot of videos with Toyin and her husband. But all of a sudden, we just stopped seeing their activities online. You know, if you check their posts, if you check their platforms, you will just notice that it is basically about business. It's either Toyin Ajeyemi is posting about movies, or Kola Ajeyemi is posting about his movies. Do you get? And both of them are supporting themselves. The only thing you will see is, okay, they have traveled out, now they are back. They are unlike before, that you will see almost everything they do online, when they post, when they laugh, when they travel, when they make videos about, you know, practically everything, and they post. But all of a sudden, if you notice, if you pay attention to Toyin Ajeyemi and her husband, you will see that both of them are taking a lot of private videos off the internet. Even me, people like us, the audience, we started, you know, guessing what is going on. Maybe because we have not really been seeing their videos, their private videos online, like both of them laughing, both of them doing, you know, a lot of things in the house and posting and posting. Maybe because we have not been seeing such videos, then some bloggers are really very, very naughty. Some bloggers can go to the extreme just because they want to make money. Now, maybe somebody, just like I said at the beginning of this video, when you keep your home, your marriage private, you will keep them guessing online. You understand? So now people are now guessing. Now they are guessing up to the point that they are now concluding by themselves. Maybe both of them are separated. Can you imagine? That is the essence. That is the message in this video. Keep your private matters private. Keep your private, you know, stuffs private in your homes. Keep your marriage off social media. Do you get? Keep them guessing, that people begin to say, what is really going on now? We are not really seeing these people online. Abi want to journey? They just want you to be guessing. Yes. I will give you another instance. Debbie Shokoya. Yeah, Debbie Shokoya, when she got married to her husband, you know, we used to see their videos popping up on the internet. All of a sudden, they just stopped. She has taken a decision to keep her marriage off social media. That is the best. Now, look at what happened. Even with Kadiri, from the write-up I read at the beginning of this video, you will realize that she too has taken her marriage off social media. Let them keep guessing. That is the best thing. Now, another person I want to talk about in this video will be Biola Adebayo. You see, Biola Adebayo, she said in the first post she made, Biola Adebayo and her husband, both of them have been separated since last year, that she decided to keep it to herself. But when the thing got to a point, when some people when she feels like, when she felt like some people might actually want to tell that a story for her, and as a media personality, she decided to come online herself and break the news. Even when she kept everybody guessing for like over a year that she and the husband have separated. You get it? But not until that point when because people have been guessing that what is going on, And she said in one video that people has been asking her, why are you not posting your husband again? Why are you not posting your husband again? So then she decided to come out with that thing. That means she was keeping them guessing. That is the best decision. Now I saw these TikTok people, very funny set of people, especially the bloggers on TikTok. They can go to the extreme. Before we used to complain about Facebook bloggers and all of that, but now TikTok bloggers, oh my God, TikTok bloggers and fake news, they are 5 and 6. Then another blogger now made another post saying Auntie Dupe Jayesimi had some months to live. People will just create some kind of funny post. They don't realize the damages some posts, some negative posts can cause to someone's image. Now, another post from Biola Adebayo that I saw, in the spirit of keeping them guessing, somebody made another post. Yeah, that is the picture you are seeing on your screen. That person said, the same TikTok bloggers who, that one said Oni of Ife and Biola Adebayo are married. That Biola Adebayo is the newest queen in town. Can you imagine? So keep them guessing. Don't give them any detail. Just keep everything off social media. There is no love online. Forget it. Nobody loves you online. Don't think because so whenever anything happens in your home, do not be too quick to bring it online, because the people you are analyzing, the people you are telling, they don't give a freaking care about you. They don't love you. All they want to do is to be watching as the drama in your own life is unfolding, so they can be enjoying it. They are just like the audience. You are not showing your own private life, your own private matters to them as a movie. It's not supposed to be like that. And I understand some couples actually, when you are in the media, when you are in the limelight, even as such that there are some very private, stuffs you keep off social media. Let me give another instance of a very popular content creator and his wife, MC Bakara. MC Bakara is one of the biggest Facebook, content creators. He's very, very big. And if you notice his style, it is always about him and his wife. They're always doing things, their activities around the house, even with their son, they always make content with it. But if you pay attention to them, in as much as they are making content with their lifestyles, they don't give too much. They will not give you that much. All you have to see is the drama they create. They create a lot of activities, both of them. A lot of realistic activities that goes on between a man, a husband, and a wife in the house. That's what they will give you. They won't give you much. They won't give you things that is happening in their private bedroom. Do you get? They will not, because the aim and objective is to keep everything off social media, and you keep them guessing. Now, let me tell you something. In this video, I want to highlight it. It is very, very important. Some people, they might be so in love that when they now find out that, okay, the man, the genotype is AS, and the lady too, her genotype is AS. Both of you already know that once you get married, once you begin to have children, if you have 5 children, it is very, very sure that 3 out of the 5 children will be SS. But or even all the 5 children might be SS. You will still go ahead and marry each other just because you are in love. This love you are claiming to have for each other, you are going to put the lives of the children you are bringing into this world into danger. What do you think will happen to them if their genotype is SS? Just because you guys are in love, and at the end of the day, the thing might not even work out because issues will begin to arise. Then another thing I want to say before I wrap up this video is that look at Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi, look at Kola Ajeyemi, look at Ire, look at their children. You see, they have been able to keep people guessing. Nobody even knows what is really going on in that marriage. But we know that all is well. Because according to the write-up Ruth Kadiri made that I read to you at the beginning of this video, she said, show them the glow. Do not show them the details. Don't show them the process. Just let them see that, okay, everything is good, everything is copacetic, everything is all right. That is exactly what Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi and her husband have been doing. If you pay attention to what is happening, you will just see both of them happy together at events. Aside from that, you will not see any other thing, because they have decided to keep their, marital life out of social media. That is very, very key, because privacy is safety. Silence is power. You keep them guessing. So that is why I always say, whenever there is an issue between a married couple, people should not be too quick to run to social media and be explaining to people. Then another thing that is very pertinent in this video, see, any couple, especially the popular ones that you see that are coming on social media, that are creating impressions that they are happy in their marriage, not all that glitters is gold. Any couple, any popular couple that you see that they're always coming online to impress you that they are happy in that marriage, check that marriage very well. They are not really happy together. They are just looking for social media validation. They are looking for a way to make you guys feel like they are happy. Meanwhile, Ijaburuku behind the camera. You see, there is no point in trying to, there's no point in craving for social media validation. Nobody give a flying F about you at the end of the day, because till the babaje Tony Diloman padada. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. Even me, if you see Baba Shadia, you see Ya Shadia, aside from that drama, you will not see any other thing, because I have decided to keep my private life private, and that is what everybody should do. The moment you are coming online to make us feel like you are happy in your marriage, it means you are not really happy in your marriage. Because rich people, they won't do things to impress you. As long as I am rich, I don't need you to feel like I am rich. It is the poor people with poor mentality that once they make small money, they want to make you feel like they have made money. Have you ever seen any Kuban chain on Dangote's neck? Have you ever seen Otedola wearing? Have you ever seen Otedola flaunting private jet online? No. Have you ever seen Dangote saying, I don't bought another Bombardier? No, they won't do that. Have you ever seen Mark Zuckerberg flaunting one designer suit or one designer one new? They won't do that. Rich people, they don't need any validation from anybody. They are wealthy. The money is there. But you that is always trying to, I don't bought a new car, I don't bought my new house. Do you know how many houses Otedola owns? Do you know how many houses Dangote owns? Do you know how many estates Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, do you know how many? Come on. You will not see them on social media trying to make you feel. Do you know what the Saudi prince owns? Do you know his net worth? Do you know? Have you ever seen them wearing Kuban chain, wearing bling bling, and be doing like no? Poor man's mentality. Once they make little money, they just want you to feel like they have it. You don't need to prove to anybody that you have it. If you have it, you have it. Jeff Owolewa is my name. And please, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, Jeff Owolewa TV, I beg you in the name of God, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification button. So when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you for watching my videos, and God bless you more for dropping those beautiful comments. Love you guys. Holla.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.